90% of Nigerian home always have tomato stew in their home. Once they have tomato stew, they are good to go. This stew is so simple to put together and absolutely delicious. Let me walk through how you can make yours. Here I have some fresh tomato. I have chili pepper. Make use of chili pepper of your choice or scotch bonnet pepper with 2 onions. I'll go ahead, allow the tomato to defrost and blend it. I am straining the blended pepper because I don't want any particles in the stew, alright? Sometimes my blender leaves a little bit of particles, which sometimes I like it in my stew. But on this particular day, the type of stew that I'm making, I don't want any particles, alright? I just go ahead and strain it. Once I strain it, I allow the pepper to boil down for about 15 to 20 minutes, just to cut down the cooking process. I transfer the pepper to the other side of the cooker and I go ahead and boil the beef. I'm just making use of a little bit of beef and I'll add fish when I've started cooking, alright? I went ahead and add my seasoning, add a little bit of water, cover the pan and allow the beef to boil. Feel free to add any seasoning of your choice. I make use of curry, thyme, salt and seasoning powder and some garlic. That is all I use, alright? The beef is perfectly cooked. If you want to go ahead and fry it, just go ahead and do whatever you want to do with it, or you want to put it in the oven, but I'm not doing any of that, alright? In a pan, I added some oil and allowed to heat up slightly. Once it's heated up, I added some blended onion. You guys remember that I showed you guys 2 onions. I used one to blend the pepper and this is the other one. I blend the onion until it's very smooth, alright? Once I add it to the oil, I started stirring it and I allow it to infuse the flavor into the oil for about a minute or so. And you guys, this is what makes this stew special, make it delicious. Once the onion has done the thing, I just go ahead, transfer the pepper, add the meat, add salt and seasoning powder, give everything a quick stir, cover the pan and allow everything to cook, alright? As you guys notice, I didn't make use of bell pepper, tatashe, in this recipe. Trust me, no need for tatashe, and it turned out absolutely delicious. I also make use of the beef stock, alright? Once I add all the ingredients, give everything a quick stir. As I said earlier, just cover it and allow to do its things. It's so simple, but trust me, it tastes absolutely delicious. You will cook it over and over and over. Just look at the color. The color is so beautiful, guys. Without tatashe, aka bell pepper, you guys, it looks so beautiful. And the aroma, it's absolutely amazing. I went ahead and stir everything together because the stew has cooked down very well. As you guys can see, it's almost done. I go in with the fish. I did add the fish earlier because I don't want the fish to scatter into the stew. Alright. Once I had the fish, I give it a quick stir, taste for seasoning. Everything was perfect. I just cover it back and allow to cook until it's completely done. The stew is finally done. I just go ahead, turn off the heat and that is it, guys. You can enjoy this stew with rice, with yam, with anything. I pair it with some wheat fufu and white and plain okra, not white okra, plain okra, and it's absolutely delicious. Hope you guys like the recipe. If you do, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.